Prince Ego, and today I'm going to be discussing this amazing software called SMSBump. You need this if you're doing dropshipping. Just look at the results I've been achieving. Now, it's like I haven't had this app for too long, maybe 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks or something. I've only ran this store for less than a month, less than 30. I believe I've ran this store for just now 24 days. Okay, yeah, exactly. I've ran this store for 24 days. I installed SMSBump 2 weeks ago, and it's already revived 21 orders, $687.65, along with $4,912.03 return on investment. $13.72 spent to generate back 687, which is kind of amazing, honestly. And I totally suggest you guys to try this product out. This app out. It's amazing. So as you can see, I've only got 299 subscribers, but and one more thing, I have an 84% conversion rate. 84%. Name me one app that has this. Now, how does this work? Well, it's pretty simple. You just install the app, you add a $20 balance, you just press this add button right here. I'm not actually going to add balance, but what you can do is just press add $20 to my account, or you can this one is actually going to make it so it automatically adds $20 whenever it falls below $10. So in this case, it would be $100. But what I usually do, I don't really need that much. I'm not spending, you don't really need crazy amounts of money on here. You can just press add funds and then select $20 and secure buy with Shopify. So it's going to go through Shopify payments, which is pretty secure. So that's usually how I do. And like I said, I haven't even spent my $20 yet, and I've generated back $687.65. Now keep in mind, these are abandoned carts, and this app actually, let's say somebody abandons their cart, they get the text message and make a purchase. It actually counts towards this app. It could be your email marketing as well. So what I do is I keep track on the email marketing along with this and just align it. So in reality, I might have got so my email marketing conversion rate is actually 3%. So this one is 84. It just explains itself. My abandoned carts are getting revived quite a lot with this app. Now, what I usually do, well, I really do like the automatic text messages that this app already has in place for you for abandoned carts. So I can't really show you guys my text messages just because it's going to reveal my product, etc. And like I said, I'm actively running ads for this store/product, hence why I can't really show you guys. But what I can tell you is that I just use the automatic text messages that this app has in place. Now my hair is kind of crazy. I just trimmed this point in my hair myself now during lockdown and stuff. So just in case you're wondering why it looks so bad, it's been growing out now. So I'm probably gonna just trim it once more. It looks horrible at the moment. Anyway, that's basically it. Just use the automatic flows. I send a message 5 minutes after they abandon the cart, an hour after, and 6 hours after. Now what do? I don't offer a coupon code on the first message. The second one I do offer them a 10% coupon, and then the third one I offer them something crazy, a 20% discount, or maybe even more. I'm not certain on that front. But why you want to do this is because if they haven't if they haven't made a purchase after 6 hours, you could just send them something crazy, and they might as well, they might actually end up converting just because you sent them that crazy coupon code. Anyway, that was it for the video. I know I kept it short, but I just wanted to show you guys a case study on how I managed to generate over $687.65 by just spending $13.72. The app is called SMSBump. You can find it in the Shopify App Store, and that was basically it. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out.